I've got the ninja radish and the watermelon radish, the lime radish, the black radish. I was so excited this morning about doing this segment with you, in particular, talking about winter radishes and Jerusalem artichokes. They're so versatile. I think that we kind of fall asleep when we think about the vegetables in our region. Seasonal sensitivity is so critical. And I love to be able to use the watermelon radishes and the winter radishes. What makes a winter radish different than like that radish that we plant in the spring? The cells are much more compact. It takes 3 to 4 months to grow these. And we plant them in June, and then we won't harvest them until one of the last things in the season, October, November. And they're really, really compact. They've got the ninja radish and the watermelon radish, the lime radish, the black
watermelon.
radish.
I love it. It's so pretty, and it really looks like watermelon. And they're so gorgeous, and they last for months, you guys. If you just keep these cold, Lee and I were talking about this last time we saw each other. Look at that.
You know, you can cook these, you can braise them, you can boil them, you can bake them. But my absolute favorite is to be able to just cut these really thin. I mean, really thin, and then soak them in some water. And I love to just be able, it's so simple, to cut these, all the different varieties, and actually soak them in a little bit of lemon juice for about an hour. I call it a quick pickle of radishes, and a little bit of sea salt on them. They're great just to sit and munch beside your chair at night. They're
like
delicious.
Healthy potato chips, but they're so much more vibrant.
Exactly. And the beautiful thing is that any of these vegetables that we can eat raw rather than cooked, you're getting 50% more nutritional value.
Yes.
Jamie was up nice and early today.
Oh,
and we had a saying that at every single stage of the plant's life, it offers something unique to the plate. I want you to look. We actually went into the greenhouse, and these are some of the radishes that we didn't harvest last fall. And we picked the blooms off of them, and these radish blooms just kind of tie it all together. Look at this. He's got a little surprise in here, and gently cooked egg yolk in there, and a little in the center with a little bit of creme fraiche.
Oh, I am ripping off that idea, Chef Jamie. Wow.
Hey, and there's a lot more ideas in this book right where this came from. It's just so the ninja radish, the watermelon radish, the black radish.
It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Again, the Chef's Garden, this is a book that you can live with and pass on to family members and share with them. It is one of my guides in life. It really is. I absolutely love it.